Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There's nothing nicer than having a really clean desk, and to make more room, I wanted to try out this awesome acrylic stand from Zimilar. This stand is so multi-purpose, but I also love the acrylic look. It makes it feel very airy, like it's not overly cluttered. This stand is a 20-inch size and it's super roomy. It's actually 2 tiers, so I can put my monitor on top, I can put papers in between, and then I can even tuck some things on the very bottom. It also has a really cool spot so that you can put your phone and you can put your cord right through it so that you can charge your phone while it's at the stand. The piece itself is really sturdy and heavy duty. You can definitely feel it when you pick it up. It has 2 carrying handles so that it can very easily be moved around on your desk if needed. The stand is so well constructed. It does not sink or waver at all when you put your monitor on it, but rather it just creates so much extra room on my desk. I honestly feel like this is such a game changer when it comes to making more space on my desk without having all of that dark look to it, but rather the acrylic is just so beautiful. If you're looking to organize your desk a little more, you want some extra space for papers, for your mail, for whatever you need to have handy and ready at your desk anytime, this is definitely the way to go with this monitor stand. But that's just my point of view.